Hello friends. So in this video, let's start installing the software that we need to do for this project. So first of all, we need Java, which is JDK 11, because I'm using JDK 11 version for this tutorial series. So just go on Google and type JDK 11 download. So we'll come up with this page. Then click on JDK 11 releases. Once you open this JDK 11 releases, you will get this page like this. In this, you click open JDK archive. And here you will see that at the down, because we are using Java 11 version here. So go down to the 11th version, which is 11.0.2. Because I'm on Windows, just click on this zip, and then you will be able to get the installation version of 11.0.2 version. By using this, you don't need to have create any account in Oracle. I think this is the fastest and easiest way to install JDK 11. Okay, so once this is done, then you need to go to your system properties and click on environment variables, and then set a system variable as Java home. And in Java home, you have to put the installation directory of JDK 11 that you have downloaded. And once you have done this, also add it in the path. The path variable, you add the Java home bin, something like this. If you have to click on edit here, so Java home bin, this should be here. So once we are done with the JDK 11 installation and setup, we need to verify. So we can open a command prompt and just type Java -version. So you can see that I have got this 11.11 versions installed here. Similarly, we can also see the Javac version, which is the compiler version, which is again JDK 11. So this is, we have verified our Java installation has been done. Now let's go to the next step, which is the Maven download and the Maven installation. Maven would be used for our project for this tutorial series on Java serialization. So we need to install this as a build tool. So again, go to Google or Yahoo search and then click Maven download for Windows. If you're on some other OS like Mac OS or Linux, you can just simply type Maven download and there would be a very detailed step given there. So once you get this, just click any one, the first link, which is Maven download Apache Maven, which will help you to open this page. And here there are very clear instructions about each operating system and the steps. Because I am on Windows, I will use this binary zip archive. Once you click on this bin on zip, you need to extract it. And then it will again, similar to GTK, it will also create a binary folder or the installation folder in your local directory. Once you have got this Maven installed, again, you have to set the system properties so that you can run the Maven commands from the command prompt from anywhere in your computer. For that, you need to just create two variables. One is the M2 home. M2 home is where you have installed your Maven version, and also set a variable for Maven home and put it same as M2 home. So just need to set two variables, M2 home and Maven home. Okay. Once these two are done, again, similarly, you need to edit or add it in the path. So here, if I go, I have installed it somewhere. I think mtm Maven home is here, right? So here I have installed this, put it into my path variable so that I can run it from anywhere. Okay, and once this is all done, our Maven is installed and set in our path variable, then we can verify by just using my -v. So it's showing that I have got this installation version of 3.8.1. So once these two are done, now we are good to install IntelliJ. IntelliJ ID I would be using, but it's your choice. You can choose Eclipse or NetBeans, whatever ID you are comfortable with. But in this tutorial series, I will use IntelliJ. So again, just go search and just search for IntelliJ download and open any link, and then you will come to this page. Here they have got IntelliJ of two versions. One is Ultimate, which is a paid, we need to have a license for that. And the OS is already dictated as Windows because I'm running on Windows. But for this course, you don't need Ultimate features. Community edition is good enough, it's free. So you download button here, and then you will get a download button. Once you download IntelliJ, you just extract it, and there are very simple steps how to install it correctly. So once you are done with all these three installations, In the next video, we will launch our IntelliJ and create the Maven project, where we will start typing the codes and understanding the Java serialization topics that we discussed. So see you all in the next video.